Hello students, my name is Dr. Shiv Kumar Sood. I am senior scientist in the Division of Animal Biochemistry at National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal in Haryana, India. Now I am going to talk about module Sequence Similarity Search from the paper Biostatistics and Bioinformatics. Sequence similarity search is a tool used to find all the similar sequences in the databases having evolutionary relationship with the sequence in hand. In addition, it is used to identify those members of the sequence family having structural and functional relationship. The sequence in hand is called a query sequence, and each individual sequence in the database is called a target or subject sequence. We have seen that dynamic programming method of sequence alignment is guaranteed to find optimal alignment between the two sequences. The main application of sequence alignment is in searching similar sequences in the databases. Once the similarity is significant, it can be used to draw an inference of homology between the two sequences. Significance of similarity is drawn using both graphical and statistical methods. Once the homology is inferred using these methods, then all the known experimental knowledge of the target sequence in the database can be used to interpret the structure, function, and evolution of the query sequence in hand. In the present module, you will learn choosing an appropriate scoring matrix based on evolutionary divergence, that is PAM family, or based on conservation of residues, that is Blossom family, to evaluate the extent of similarity between the two sequences involved. Similarity search is based on sequence alignment using dynamic programming. However, with the increase in the database sizes, it became almost impractical to use dynamic programming for similarity search due to its low speed. Therefore, heuristic programs, which reduce the database size by excluding dissimilar sequences at the very first stage, were developed so that dynamic programming is used only with similar sequences. These programs first filters the database for selecting only relevant and similar sequences, and then use dynamic programming in searching process. This heuristic approach has been implemented in FASTA and BLAST suite of programs. Finally, we'll use the dynamic program based similarity search program sSearch and heuristic based search FASTA suite of programs to search similar proteins for the given HPR protein from Enterococcus faecalis, a protein involved in the uptake of sugars and regulation of gene expression. The objective of similarity search is to find all similar sequences and reject dissimilar sequences. The two main requirements to find similar but reject dissimilar sequences are called sensitivity and selectivity, respectively. Sensitivity refers to the ability of a similarity search program both to find all the similar sequences, but if a similar sequence is not searched, then that is called false negative. False negatives should be minimum. Selectivity, sometimes called specificity, refers to the ability of a similarity search program to exclude all dissimilar sequences. But if a dissimilar sequence is selected, then this is called false positive. False positives should be minimum for a search program. Dear students, there are different schemes for scoring alignment of residues in proteins and nucleic acids. Two important scoring families are PAM family and Blossom family. PAM scoring matrices have been developed to reflect degrees of evolutionary divergence among sequences. On the other hand, BLOSUM scoring matrices have been developed to reflect the different degrees of residue conservation. There are several PAM matrices, and each of the PAM matrices reflect a different degree of evolutionary divergence. Similarly, there are several BLOSUM matrices, and each of the BLOSUM matrices reflect a different level of residue conservation. Therefore, a specific matrix is chosen for searching proteins having similarity at a particular divergence distance or at a particular residue level conservation. Consequently, no single matrix effectively covers the entire range of divergence and entire range of residue conservations. The purpose to show this graph is that three matrices can be used or shall be used to search similar sequences to cover the entire range of divergence distances. Therefore, a user needs to conduct three similarity search experiments to cover the entire range of divergence distances and then finally compile the list excluding duplicated sequences. For PAM family, PAM40, PAM120 and PAM. For PAM family, PAM40, PAM120 and PAM250 are recommended. Using BLOSUM family, BLOSUM60, BLOSUM40 and BLOSUM30 are recommended matrices to cover all the divergence distances. Dear students, back in 1980s, it was surprising to find similarities between a cancer-causing gene and a gene involved in normal growth and development. Today, it would even be more surprising not to find any similarity between a newly discovered gene and the huge nucleotide sequence databases. However, nucleotide sequence database search is not easy now as it was then. In September 2015, there were approximately 200 trillion bases in NCBI GenBank. The present day statistics may be obtained at the FTP site of GenBank. When similarity search is tried to find closest match to a gene of length 300 bases in such a database, the dynamic programming alignment takes too much time. The sequence similarity search tool requires that each of the target sequences in the database is aligned with the query in the hand. The number of sequence alignments to be constructed during similarity search equals the number of the target sequences in the target database. With the increase in the number of sequences in the databases, it became almost impractical to use slow dynamic programming alignment for similarity search. Consequently, in addition to sensitivity and selectivity, the third requirement, that is the speed, gained significance for developing similarity search programs. To increase the speed of the similarity search programs, heuristic programs were developed. In heuristic approach, the database is first filtered using the query sequence in a very fast manner to exclude all the dissimilar sequences. This reduces the number of target sequences to be evaluated using dynamic programming alignment to a very small manageable number. However, in this fast filtering process, some true homologue may not be selected and thereby reducing the sensitivity of the search tool. The two heuristic programs, FAST and BLAST, are very fast programs to search databases for similar sequences. Exhaustive search using Needleman-Wunsch dynamic programming finds overall similarity score between two sequences after constructing global alignment. However, if the query sequence has a small region which is similar to a small region in the target sequence, then global alignment will hide this local similarity. For example, homeobox genes, which regulate embryonic development, are present in a large variety of species. Although homeobox genes are very different in different species, one region called homeodomain is highly conserved. In this search, the score for alignment between the small conserved regions contained in long sequences may be larger than the score of alignment between the smaller or shorter or the larger entire sequences. The question is to find the conserved regions and ignore the areas that show little or no similarity. To handle those cases, Smith and Waterman modified the Needleman-Wunsch dynamic programming slightly to generate a local alignment. In this implementation of dynamic programming, the score was not allowed to fall below 0. This modification allowed the regions with local similarity to be detected and aligned. Therefore, Smith-Waterman method of dynamic programming produced local alignment between two sequences. This is implemented in S-search to find similar sequences having local similarity. S-search, available at UVA server, uses local alignment for search, and in addition, two variants on the basis of global alignment, that is GG search, and global local alignment, that is GL search, are also implemented. At the same interface, FASTA suite is also implemented. FASTA suite will be discussed after S-search. These programs has a common web interface which has 4 sections each. Section A of S-search allows for selecting a program for search based on local, global, or global-local dynamic programming alignments. Select S-search, that is local protein-protein option for the present example. In section B, user has to input query sequence information. The option is to either paste sequence in FASTA format or enter accession or GI number of the sequence. Alternatively, already saved FASTA sequence file can be uploaded. In this example, the amino acid sequence of HPR protein from Enterococcus faecalis is pasted in FASTA format. On the right side of section B, FASTA programs including S-search has the ability to annotate the query sequence in final resulting alignment. This annotation is done using external information provided in an uploaded file. To achieve this, simply browse and select the file containing annotation information. In the present case, the file hprannotation.fa is uploaded, which was created following the annotation format previously. The annotation information file format can be reached at the shown address. User has to create an annotation file based on features present in the sequence, that is query sequence features. The annotation information for a protein is entered in 4 columns, and each column is separated by pressing Tab key. A file for current HPR protein query sequence was created using Notepad and saved as hprannotation.fa and uploaded along with the sequence. This information will be used by the program to label residues according to the information provided for each position. First line contains the comment information. Next lines containing information for residue at specific positions include second line position 1 to 88 is named as PTS domain. Therefore, in the final alignment, residues 1 to 88 will be labeled as PTS domain. This is followed by a biochemically important site at position 15 and a phosphorylation site at position 46. This information will be displayed in the resulting alignment. At position 15, histidine is present, and at position 46, serine is present. Therefore, these biochemically important sites will be labeled with equal to sign and star sign respectively. Section C allows user to choose database for search. In the present example, we are using a protein. Therefore, choose SwissProt NCBI. In addition, Section C allows annotation of database sequences which are searched from UniProt, Interpro, or PFAM. The annotation features such as location of active sites and domain boundaries are displayed in the final alignment. The statistics for database searches assume that unrelated sequences will look essentially random with respect to each other. However, certain patterns in sequence violate this rule. The most common exceptions are long runs of a small number of different residues, such as polyallele tract. Such regions of sequences could spuriously obtain extremely high match scores. For this reason, the search program may automatically remove such sections in the proteins, replacing them with unknown amino acid symbol X using the SEG program. Section C enables to choose masking the query and database sequences for low complexity regions. If checkbox for exclude low complexity is checked, one can start search at this stage using default parameters for scoring. However, Section C offers options to users to change the default values for scoring parameters. In Section C, user has the option to change the default scoring matrix. When a scoring matrix is selected, the open gap penalty as well as extend gap penalty changes automatically to the values preset for that scoring matrix. For example, if you will select Blossom 62, then open gap penalty will be automatically set at -11 and extension gap penalty will be automatically set at -1. On the other hand, if you use, let us say for example, PAM 250, then the open gap penalty will be automatically fixed at -10 and extension gap penalty will be set at -2. On clicking search button, that is search database button, in section D, the results appear in the ensuing window. The first section report the input parameters including the query sequence length, scoring scheme used, etc., including annotation symbols. For example, annotation symbols for phosphorylation, that is a star, active site, that is an equal to sign, another site at the rate of sign, a site, metal binding site, and binding site are denoted by symbols. For example, binding site using hash symbol. The similarity between query sequence and each of the target sequence is evaluated on the basis of the pairwise alignment score between query and target sequence. As such, calculates a score for alignment between two sequences. Therefore, all the resulting alignments can be compared using pairwise alignment score. The best alignment will have the maximum score. The next best one will have the next best score, and so on. After general section of the S-search result, the next section has a list of best hits arranged with the best hit on the top of the list. The SW score listed in the second column is a number, gives the overall similarity between two sequences. The score for matching two residues is assigned using a substitution matrix. Next is e-value, the expected number of sequences in the database that would achieve this raw SW score by chance only. The statistical significance of the alignment score is frequently assessed by calculating p-value to determine the statistical significance of probability of the alignment with this score. The first match in the list is to self, that is, the same sequence was taken from this database, that is the query sequence, itself present in the database searched. The e-value for second sequence, when transformed into p-value, is approximately 10 raised to the power minus 17 and shows that there is only one chance of random alignment in 10 raised to the power 17 sequences. This shows that two sequences are having clear homology. This shows that two sequences are having clear homology. However, the actual interpretation is completed with a look at the actual alignment. Click on the align link of the second entry in the list to reach at the actual alignment in the next section. This section displays the features of the query as uploaded in annotation file and the features of the target sequence in the database. Actual alignment shows that there are not much gaps, but significant identities with functional residues at position 50 and position 46 matched. These are also marked by annotation symbols. In addition, the other homologous members in the reported list may be used to complete the evolutionary family with conserved domain PTR, HPS, protein-like in the Interpro database. Heuristic search has been developed to reduce the computational requirements. Heuristics are like tour guides who, after taking some information from the tourist regarding places in which the tourist is interested, visits only those places and discard non-relevant places. This filters the places to be visited. Sequence alignment heuristics also use the same filtering idea. Heuristic, after taking information from the sequence, selects the sequences in the database in a very fast manner in the first stage. Only selected sequences are then used in dynamic programming alignment. Filtering is based on the observation that a good alignment usually includes short identical or short similar fragments. Therefore, short words from the long sequence are created and used to see if these short words are present in the long target sequence. If the short words are not present, then computationally intensive dynamic programming is not undertaken for pairwise alignment with this target or the subject sequence. This saves the time to evaluate unnecessary dynamic programming alignment. The first most widely used algorithm was the one implemented in FASTA, and currently most widely used is BLAST. Both algorithms differ in details, but both filters the database sequences for subsequent dynamic programming alignment. FASTA heuristic search starts with word search. FASTA uses identity words where both the query and the target sequences are broken into overlapping words of specific length, a parameter known as KTUP. The list of words from the query and target sequences are compared, and diagonal with most matching words, that is dot plot diagonals, is taken as the region most likely to contain the best alignment between two sequences. Matching words on the dot plots with the same offsets are joined to give longer diagonals but without introducing gaps. Nearby diagonals containing sufficient identity are used for restricted Smith-Waterman dynamic programming alignment. FASTA heuristic starts with splitting each target sequence in the database into overlapping words of specified size, K-tup parameter, usually 2 or 3 for proteins and 11 for DNA. Let us say that a protein with shown sequence is present in the database. This sequence is shown on the top left. The list of overlapping words of K-tup equal to 3 is shown below this sequence. These words are then arranged in alphabetical order. The position of each word in the sequence is also stored along with the word. In this way, each sequence entry in the database is converted into a dictionary of words arranged in alphabetical order and stored in the computer. This list of sequence is searched for matching words during initial filtering of the FASTA stage. Searching this list in a dictionary manner, the position of matching words in the target sequence can be quickly located. If no word is located in the target sequence, then this sequence is not considered for dynamic programming alignment. When a user submits a FASTA search using a query sequence shown under the heading of this title, then the FASTA program splits the query sequence into overlapping words of specified K-tup size, 3 in the present example. This list of overlapping words in the sequence is compared with word list of each database sequence. The first word, TAP, is looked into the dictionary list of the first database sequence. In this way, the word could be quickly detected, and if present, then its position in the target is noted. The difference in position of the matching words in the two sequences is calculated and is called offset. All the matching words with the same offset are said to be belonging to the same diagonal in visual dot plot. For example, if a word is present at position 1 in the query and is also present at position 1 in the target sequence, then the offset is 0. This way, each overlapping word in query is compared and we get the shown table. The words with the same offset shown in the table can be visualized as diagonals in the dot plot. In actual sequences, all the diagonals representing uncapped local identities may be visualized as shown. The contiguous matching words with the same offset are residues matched between two sequences. If there are mismatches between two diagonals of the same offset, then these diagonals are joined by allowing mismatching residues. The threshold number of mismatched residues allows the closely placed diagonals with the same offset to be joined to yield longer contiguous ungapped similarities. One similarity is shown with a dotted diagonal joining nearby ungapped identities with the same offset. After joining diagonals on the same offset, all ungapped similarities are scored using a particular scoring matrix such as BLOSSOM 62. 10 ungapped diagonals with top scores, that is the best similarities, are retained and the score of the best diagonal is reported as INISH1 score. The nearby ungapped diagonals with different offset are joined by introducing gaps till the alignment score is above a certain threshold. The best gapped alignment is retained and its score is reported as INISH-N score. This is followed by Smith-Waterman alignment. The optimal dynamic programming alignment and its score is reported as OP score. Finally, e-value and bit scores are calculated. For evaluating statistical significance of each alignment. Fastest suite of programs is available online from 3 servers. These are at EMBL outstation of European Bioinformatics Institute, in GenomeNet at Japan, and University of Virginia in United States of America. Visit fastest route at University of Virginia and click Protein FASTA. On FASTA page, various variants of FASTA, each suitable for a specific search, are listed in section A under the drop-down list named Program. Rest of the interface is same as for S search. Paste the sequence and set all the parameters as already explained earlier for S search, and then click Search Database button. The results will appear in the ensuing page and interpreted in the same way as for S search. The first section has general information of parameters, second section has list of hits, third section has actual alignment, and finally statistics of the search. The first section is shown here. The second section contains the list of the proteins having similar regions found in the query protein. It has 8 columns. The first column lists the name of the protein with the number of amino acids written within the parentheses. Then a column named SW reports the raw score, and the column labeled enum shows the e-value, which represents the number of sequences which would be achieving the score for this alignment just by chance. The e-values below 0.01 would be by chance very rarely and are therefore likely to indicate homology. In these cases, experimental knowledge attached to the target sequence annotation may be applied to the query sequence in hand. However, as a biochemist, you need to take a look at the actual alignment and evaluate the alignment in a holistic way by considering the functional residues. If the statistics, that is score and the e-value of the alignment, are good and alignment overlaps the whole length in both sequences with functionally significant residues aligned in 2 sequences, then there is a good chance that both the sequences will share the same common or related function. Therefore, the alignments with alignment length listed in the second last column covering nearly full length in 2 sequences shall be investigated by having a look at the actual alignment. The length of the query sequence in the present case is 88. The first match in the list is the match to the query itself. The second match is from Lactococcus lactis having 88 amino acids with alignment length having 88 and e-value showing clear homology. Therefore, this is the first best alignment to be considered. To have a look at the actual alignment, click this protein in the last column hyperlink named Align. You will reach the third section of the results page, which is alignment section. The annotation reports the histidine at position 15 and serine at position 46. Phosphorylated histidine is involved in PTS pathway. Phosphorylated serine 46 of HPR is involved in gene expression signal cascade. Both these residues are aligned. Similarly, have a look at other best scoring alignments covering nearly whole length. Dear students, in the present module, you learned that a similarity search need to be conducted at 3 different levels of evolutionary divergences. That is, with PAM family, select PAM40, PAM120, and PAM250. With BLOSSOM family, the suggested matrices are BLOSSOM 60, BLOSSOM 40, and BLOSSOM 30. You also learned that to increase the speed of the similarity search, heuristic programs which reduce the database size by excluding the dissimilar sequences were developed. This heuristic approach has been implemented in FASTA and BLAST suite of programs. You also used S-Search and heuristic-based fastest suite of programs to search similar sequences for a given query protein. HPR from Enterococcus faecalis, a protein involved in the uptake of sugars and regulation of gene expression. I thank you for visiting EPG Pathshala.